company called John Ellzey Custom Woodworking. And I started woodworking fresh out of college in 1974. I design and build custom furniture. As you can see, I also do toys whenever I have the mood to do toys. I love the challenge. If I can get a job that is unusual and unique, then I really enjoy working on that, trying to figure out how it's going to go together, what kind of finish I'm going to put on it, choosing the wood that a client really enjoys. It doesn't really matter. I enjoy making anything that is a challenge and anything that people like to look at.